welcome again to Decent TNC. If it is your first time, do subscribe, like and share the video. Rwanda citizens who learned that Amahoro National Stadium is about to be expanded to suit international standards welcome the development but also argue that future constructions should take into consideration available structures to avoid regular renovations and upgrades. In Remera sector, renovations activities have started with construction Turkish company known in Africa for their extraordinary experience in stadium construction project. SUMMA has construct Kigali Arena, Stade du Senegal, Dakar Arena etc. The drawn model shows the changes and beautification of the place close to Amahoro National Stadium like Petit Stade and the Paralympic Playing Hall. The other area that will be used for sports facilities include the current area where people conduct driving lessons, the police building, Remera Health Center, the FERWAFA Hotel as well as mountain facility. Engineer Manas told RBA, "We all see the master plan published by the city of Kigali. Everything is a journey. If this is the government's plan, it's good and must be appreciated. Citizens must understand that it is development for our country. Otherwise, we are in construction and we understand that construction goes well with demolition. This huge project will be run in 3 phases, but the first phase will include work on Amahoro National Stadium, and other pitches around it because towards the end of the year, there will be different tournaments hosted there.